Hey, this video is for Kenneth, but this is for anyone that's looking to learn how to play. Kenneth writes, just starting accordion, my great-granddaughter loves Mary Had a Little Lamb. Do you have sheet music and a lesson for the song? Also, my goal is to play Leonard Cohen's Hallelujah. So, I don't have sheet music for Mary Had a Little Lamb. You could Google Mary Had a Little Lamb sheet music, and you can find it any number of ways, but let me take 5 minutes to explain Mary Had a Little Lamb to you so you could play it. What a blessing to be able to play for your great-granddaughter. Not only that, you'll be able to apply the same knowledge to play You Are My Sunshine, The Wheels on the Bus, lots of other songs. Mary Had a Little Lamb has 2 chords. 2, maybe 3, 2 chords. C major and G major. Over the next week, I'd like for you to play C major and G major on your left hand and on your right hand. Whether you play guitar, piano, this is the same. So you find your C major. Look at my lessons on basic left hand technique, how to build majors and minors. C major sounds like this. C major. We use our 4th finger and our 3rd finger. Pa, pa. You can play along with me or pause and do it yourself. The idea here, this is our C major. Over this, we would sing, Mary had a little lamb. Right? Pa, pa. Very lovely. The next chord is G major. Take a piece of paper and write down the lyrics or print out the lyrics. Over Mary Had a Little Lamb, you write C major. So you're doing C, da, 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 little lamb. G major is the same shape moving up to your chin. Same shape. That's a G major, same fingers. So C major, G major. Back and forth, this is the practice. This is the practice whether you're playing guitar, whether you're playing piano, etc. So G major, little lamb. Back to C major, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb. Her hair was white as snow. During the first few minutes and hours and days, look down, but your practice, look at my guide on 15 minutes of practice, is eventually to do this without looking, while talking, while moving your right hand. This is important. Scratch your face, etc. That's all you need. I'm sure tomorrow you can sing this to your granddaughter, great-granddaughter, with your left hand only. Your right hand needs to do the same thing. So if I say, play for me a C major on your right hand, I have a guide on how to build major and minor chords on the basic section of Accordion Love for your right hand. We can play a chord like this. We can play a chord like this, and like this. This is all C major. So this is Mary Had a Little Lamb. Same shape up to the G. Little lamb, Mary had a little lamb. Her hair was white as snow. This is a big jump to make. Instead, we could switch between chords using voicings. Mary had a little lamb. Little lamb, little lamb. Look at my lesson on triads and arpeggios and switching between chord voicings. So your hands together, left hand and right hand. Mary had a little lamb. Switch to G. Little lamb, Mary, etc. Good. You can pull up the sheet music. I also encourage you to play Mary Had a Little Lamb by ear. 3 notes. E, D, C, right? Again. Very slowly, hands together. Left hand. Look at my guide on hand coordination. La, 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 la. La, 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 la. Over and over until you could do it while talking, while looking around your room, etc. Hand coordination, I have a full guide on that with video examples. This will all take days of practice, consisting of little bits, etc. That chord change of C to G is the same as the wheels on the bus go round and round. G, round and round, etc. You could also do the it or you're my sunshine, or the itsy bitsy spider crawled up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. Itsy bits, right? Oompa, same chords. All of a sudden you've opened up your repertoire of music. Leonard Cohen's Hallelujah will also contain the C major and G major chord, in addition to 3 other chords: F, A minor, and E major. The mighty are the broken, hallelujah. And again, the foundation is playing those chords on your left hand and your right hand, switching between them. C major. Heard there was a... You could do a noompapa. I heard there was a... How cool. You're already starting to play Leonard Cohen's Hallelujah. Let me know if you have any questions. This is an overview of what to do. Obviously, check out the lessons in detail. And please let me know if you have any questions. I'm here to help you. Thanks.